small in size, and they are not having the larger environmental impact that is there in the larger mines. We are engaging with Government of India to find a way so that we are able to exempt or at least reduce the procedures and localize the procedures for our small-time miners. I don't want to give much detail on that because a lot of homework is going on and we are yet to get a clear picture. But I'm sharing this with you because I want to inform you that we are concerned about our small-time miners. We are concerned about our traditional miners, and that we have started engaging with Government of India like we did for the scientific mining. We have started engaging, and I hope that we will be able to find a way forward even for our small-time miners. It may take some time, but our effort is on, our engagement is on, and we will do our best to ensure that we are able to achieve that target also. But while we do that, as I said, the event today and the program today is a historic one. It is something that, as I said, we all have been waiting for. I really wish I could have been there today, but I will try to be there in the next hour, streamlined in terms of issuing the necessary challans and issuing the necessary documents for the transportation of the mines. Now that the mines will be active, the coal will be extracted, and then the process of, as I said, transporting this and exporting this will also start. And I'm sure streamline the paperwork, but I'm sure also within a matter of a few weeks or within a maximum a month's time. But as I said, that now the extraction and the operation of the mines will be active from today. So I'm really happy, and once again congratulate all of you, especially the mining lease owners. I wish you all the very best, and I assure you of full support from the government side while you lead the way forward for other miners to start the scientific mining in the state. And as I said, this will go down as a red letter day for the state.